Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix cash app transfer failed error on your phone. Let's get started. First, make sure to check your internet connection. Swipe off from the top right of your screen and make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is on and stable. Switch networks if necessary. Make sure your Cash App have enough balance or link bank funds to cover the transfer. Low balance can cause transfer failures. Double check the cash tag, phone number or email. Incorrect details can make the transfer fail. Make sure your Cash App is updated. An outdated app may cause error. Open the App Store on your phone. Tap on your profile at the top right of the screen and search for Cash App and tap Update if available. Close Cash App completely by swiping off and swipe away your Cash App and then reopen it. If it still fails, tap Profile Support. After that, tap on Contact Support in Cash App, explain your issue and they will help to resolve it. And that's it. By checking your connection, balance and detail, updating the app or contacting support, you can fix Cash App transfer failure and send money smoothly on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. That's all for. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.